Hi everybody, I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures, and I am on board the Disney Destiny in the 2-story Tony Stark Tower Suite. That's totally a mouthful, but I'm really geeking out over this and I can't wait to show you around. So come on in with me and take a look around. This is the amazing Disney Destiny Tower Suite. There is an elevator if you want to take an elevator, or you can just step inside the funnel and head up to the suite that is themed like Tony Stark's lab. All these little nods to the Avengers are so cool. Let me tell you, I'm totally a Marvel geek, and I am super excited to see this suite. There's quite a few little stairs here, so if you don't want to take the stairs, there is an elevator. There's Iron Man right there. All the Tony Stark suite. Look at that number, 14,000. That is so cool with the Iron Man mask. I love it. Let's listen to this doorbell. Now, if that's not the coolest doorbell you've ever heard, I don't know what it is. So right here, right inside the suite, there's a bathroom. Not a full bathroom, just a half bath with a sink and toilet. Oh my goodness. Look at this. That is the coolest. This table for 8 here. A TV right here. And a bar. There are 4 bar stools here. And again, all these little nods to Tony Stark's lab. Glasses for the bar. And this cabinet behind it. Moving on around through here, there are these floor-to-ceiling windows. Right now, we're looking out over the deck, and in the distance, lookout key. I'm going to turn around and look up. You can see the 2nd floor and the chandelier up there. And right here is your own wine cooler and sink. Own private wine cooler. And mini fridge. And if you want to see something super cool, of course, every superhero has a hidden lair. So check this out. The library. Oh my goodness. And there is a little vanity here and a TV because the sofa does pull out into a bed. So again, there is closet space here with those nice upgraded concierge robes. And what's one hidden layer without another hidden layer? You come up here and you think, oh, that doesn't open. Automatic opening door into a private bathroom. Oh my goodness. Look at that shower. So this room and this shower and bathroom is fully accessible. So if you have someone in your party that needs an accessible bathroom, this is it. Double vanity, of course, and back out here into the library. If this is your first time joining me on my channel, I'm a travel advisor. I have owned Pixie Dust Adventures for over 12 years, and I've been here helping people plan their dream vacations from Disney Cruise Line, other cruise lines, Adventures by Disney, and all over the world. If you would like complimentary concierge planning assistance for your next vacation and maybe a little something extra, a perk in it just for you if you mention this video, look me up. My name is Melissa. You'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's Iron Man. I love that mask in the corner. How cool is that? This marble tabletop. All these brassy and red colors. And look at that artwork. Right here, there is like a butler's pantry. These doors do close here, but they also look out over the table. An espresso machine right here with all the flavors you could ever want. Upgraded Twinings tea. This is the stuff you get in Palo, not just the regular tea. Now, let's open the refrigerator, and it's fully stocked with whatever you ask for from your concierge. But here's the thing, my favorite part of these concierge rooms in the fridge, unlimited Mickey bars. Love those. And then down here in the bottom of the refrigerator, ice. There are cabinets everywhere. You can store lots of things. Silverware, china, and the dishwasher is right in here. How cool is that? But you're not going to have to do dishes. Your concierge is going to take complete care of you. Who would want to do dishes on a vacation? Sink here. More storage space. Turn around here. And you can see the concierge menu and wine menu. Just part of it. Because there's so much more that I know isn't even listed here. And here is the room service. You can hang that out on your door the night before, which there really isn't a door here. So talk to your concierge if you want to order room service. And speaking of room service, these royal suites on Disney Cruise Line are the only suites that you can get Palo for your room service menu. Palo is the exclusive adults only signature dining. And trust me when I say it's absolutely amazing. You could order it and eat it right here in your private room instead of having to go to the restaurant. Now let's go up these stairs and check out what's up here. All right. We just had to reset and start over so I could show you guys that. When you tap the key card, that's what happens. Here you go. There's the chandelier that looks down into the main area.
Or maybe from there and you can...
I would do more like with the...
I wonder if you can stand up there and I can shoot you. Oh yeah, that would be cool. I can kind of start with like a... And we can... And I can come up. And I can come back.
Here's the lights for the living room and the chandelier. Oh my goodness. Look at this room. It is absolutely and totally the Tony Stark suite. I feel so, I don't know, excited to be here. I am such a pop culture geek. I love Marvel. I love the Avengers. And this room here has a window that looks down into the main area. You can give these curtains here a little tug, and they'll automatically open. And the same thing with closing them. If you give them a little tug, they'll close. They're the room darkening curtains right over there if you want to pull those over to make the room completely private and dark. But look at the carpet. The whole entire design is mirrored down into the carpet as well. Light switches there for this bathroom. Check it out. This bathroom is amazing. Oh my gosh. Upgraded spa amenities right here. Those smell so good. I just have no words. It smells like a spa, just clean and refreshing. Plenty of towels. 2 luxurious bathrobes. Nice soaking tub here. And a shower. I like those trench drains in the showers. It's all marble, upgraded things. A loofah over in the corner. Look at that shower head. I don't think anything could be more relaxing. And I like the brassy colors and touches. That's very popular. And here is the toilet closet right here. All right, let's go back out into this room because this is just, I have no words. Absolutely spectacular. And here's a closet. Fit for your entire wardrobe. Bring anything and everything you want, an outfit for every moment. The safe is there. It is all here for you. Now just picture yourself in this room looking out over the water. And we're going to go and explore the other rooms up here on the 2nd floor. Okay, now let's wander out of this amazing bedroom into some of the others. That chandelier, oh my goodness, so amazing. Absolutely love it. I am totally geeking out on all of this. Let's head right into this room here. Look at that. Can you see that on the door, or do you just see my reflection? It says web access only. That's all sorts of nods to Tony Stark. More light switches. Oh my goodness. Do you have boys who are Marvel fans in your family? Oh, this would be the ultimate. My boys absolutely love this. They would have their own private bathroom. And it would be away from my bathroom, which is the best part. But look at the theme of this. From the ladder to all of the colors. And here is proof that Tony Stark has a heart. Now, as we step out of that kid's suite, we're going to go right into this room, the 2nd master suite here. And I love how that light, just the design, comes all the way down into the carpet. That's so phenomenal. And again, with these floor-to-ceiling windows, curtains that open and close automatically, like you saw in the other room, just give those curtains a tug and they will open right up, and the other way to close it. So this bedroom is very similar to the other one, kind of a mirror image of it. With the closet, there will be robes in this closet that are like the luxury concierge robes. The laundry bag is there, and slippers are down there in the bags on the floor. These rooms are so quiet because of the furnishings and the carpet and the way that they're built. They're very silent when you walk into them. There's the vanity area. And we'll go on down this hall. Look at that. How cool is that? This just has Tony Stark written all over it. Again, if you're a Marvel fan, this is something you have to do. It's a must-do in your life. There are the robes, the concierge robes. There's a soaking tub here. This bathroom isn't quite as long as the one in the other room. All the upgraded amenities, the double vanities. I want to turn around here. That soaking tub there. The shower, that full rain head shower. That loofah and those smell amazing. Let's turn here. And here is the toilet closet. Obviously, it has a frosted door here that closes. I just can't get enough of this suite. So phenomenal. And again, every Marvel fan's dream. So every Marvel fan from this suite all the way through the ship, all of the experiences with Loki and Spider-Man, the heroes, the villains, I'm absolutely blown away with what Disney has done with this ship. Thanks so much for joining me and geeking out with me on this Tony Stark Tower Suite on board the Disney Destiny. I want to hear what you thought about it, especially if you're a fellow Marvel fan. Like, subscribe, drop a comment down below because I always like hearing from all of you. If you would like planning assistance to plan a vacation in this suite, in a regular room, no matter where you want to go, again, look me up. My name is Melissa, and you'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com. Mention this YouTube video, and there's also a special secret hidden perk in it just for you. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.